Welcome to DirectBoats.com. Today we're excited to introduce the Laker 712 Electric Mini Pontoon, an eco-friendly, all-electric boat designed for a quiet, emission-free experience on the water. Powered by the Epropulsion Spirit 1.0 outboard motor, this boat offers sustainable, silent boating with plenty of power. Let's take a closer look. The Spirit 1.0 motor provides 3 horsepower, reaching a top speed of 4 miles per hour. Here's something important. Your speed affects your battery life. At full throttle, you'll have around 1 hour and 15 minutes of cruising time, but slowing down significantly extends your battery. At half throttle, you'll get about 5 hours, and at trolling speed, it lasts up to 13 hours. The battery on the Spirit 1.0 is removable, making recharging easy and convenient. Just detach the battery, take it home, and plug it into any standard outlet. This way, you can be ready for your next adventure without needing a dock with power access. Built for relaxation, the Laker 712 Electric offers seating for 6 passengers with a weight capacity for up to 8 people, or 1,440 pounds. Features like navigation lights for early or late outings, a secure anchor system, cup holders, and fishing pole holders make this boat perfect for any kind of day on the water. So, if you're ready for a quiet, eco-friendly boating experience, the Laker 712 Electric Mini Pontoon with Epropulsion Spirit 1.0 is the ideal choice. Visit us at DirectBoats.com to learn more or place your order today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the water. The boat in this video is equipped with a smaller motor and includes optional features like 2 extra cup holders, a fish finder, and additional fishing rod holders, not standard on the model shown online.
Yeah.